Okay, now we are back again. So we are going to try to build out this, adding these numbers here. Now if you notice, we need to do some little changes. We have this YOS content text that is housing all the entire text. All right, but I'm going to say YOS content text. Yeah, just leave like that. Now what we need to do, we need to introduce another div block. This is a little bit tricky because we're trying to add something here, like the numbers here. We will need to introduce another div block. All right, let's bring in a div block. Now we have a div block here. Now we're going to call this div block, take it up. We're going to call this div block YOS content text wrap. Okay, YOS content text wrap. Now we're going to carry this YOS content text one inside of it. Okay, so we have a parent that is now housing this YOS content text one. Now this one is now going to be flexed horizontally like this. So now we can now bring in our image. Let me not say image. I don't know. Do I want to create an image? Let me just save this. Let me just save this image here. Let's just export it like this, maybe as an SVG. Okay, it's an SVG file. Now we can now bring it into our webflow project like this. So the image comes first. Good. So now this YOS content text wrap would now have maybe one rem of gap in between. And what else? It is at the center, okay, which is align center like this, which is good. And what else? Great. So same would go for, now this is what we are going to now duplicate. Let's say 1 2 3. Oops. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So that is it. So we now have YOS content text, then YOS content text wrap. Inside it now we have the image and the YOS content text one. All right. YOS content. So this text wrap is in 3 places now, giving the image and the content text one. Same goes for the 3 of them like this. So yeah, if you preview it, see what we have. I don't know where this one is running to. To fix that, you can just click on it and drag it up a bit. Okay. So yep, look at what we have so far. This is what we've built out so far, which is looking good. So I can easily just change or get the actual contents and change this one to number 2, which means I'll have to go here and download this 2 and 3, or you can even build this from webflow. You can build it out in webflow, but then so yeah, that's it for this section. All right, but then let me just get the actual contents. Let me just get the actual content. Like I said, webflow is there is no straightforward answer sometimes to some things. Sometimes you would have to build it out to a point, then that's where you now know that you didn't do it the right way. It's just problem solving. You now know that, oh, maybe you should have done it like this because it's going to affect this thing that you're going to do in the future or whatever, something like that. So you want to be, it's like that. Sometimes you get confused, maybe not confused. Sometimes you just get, this I don't know. It's it's like that sometimes, It's like that sometimes. So there's no straightforward answer to things like this. All right, so we're going to stop here now and we'll see how we can build out this section in the next playlist. See you guys.